Hello and welcome back to the channel Anindita Ji, where we learn, speak, and succeed. I hope all of you are doing great today and you're also eager to learn about today's video. So we will begin without much ado. Okay. So I'll start with a question. Have you ever been a part of a team where the beginning was full of energy, but soon things got messy? Well, let me tell you that is totally normal. Teams grow through phases. And in this video, I'll take you through the 5 stages of team formation: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. I will give real examples and tips for managers and team members alike. So, with that, first I will talk about the Tuckman's model. So, Bruce Tuckman developed this model in 1965, showing how teams evolve over time. Understand this will help to build stronger teams, improve communication, and handle conflicts better. Now, what does happen in the forming stage? In the forming stage, people are polite and excited. Roles and goals are unclear, and there's a low trust and low productivity. So here you can imagine a new project team formed from different departments, and everyone is friendly but unsure of their individual responsibilities. So what we can do here at the forming stage is when you have people, you have already the team members, you have planned that, and you set clear goals, assign the initial roles, and encourage open introductions. Next will be the storming stage. So in the storming stage, what will happen is conflicts will surface, ego, power, work styles, all of that will come up amongst the team members. Some cases or at some points, communication issues will arise, and which will eventually lead to productivity dips. So, for example, you will find that two members clash over how to approach a client page. And with that, because they will be bickering on that, you might find that deadlines have already started slipping. So, what you can do here to manage the situation is acknowledge the differences and facilitate the conflict resolution, create space for honest feedback, because not all teams will survive the stage. Leadership is crucial. Then the next stage will be norming. So what will happen here? Now the team will begin aligning. After the 2 stages, forming, storming, there will be norming. Now that everybody will try to fall in place, team starts aligning. The norms, ground rules, and the trust emerge, and the collaboration will improve amongst the team members. The team members will start helping each other, communication will become smoother, and roles will get respected. So here you can appreciate the contributions, strengthen team rituals like weekly check-ins, like that, and encourage feedback culture. Then the next stage will be performing. So once the team has been formed, the initial storming, the conflicts has arisen, those has been taken care of, and then now people have settled down in the team. Now is the time of performing, that is, start working full-fledgedly in a full-fledged manner. So team works with high synergy. You will find high productivity, innovation, and independence, and conflict is mostly handled in a constructive manner. The team, for example, the team launches the project successfully and supports each other without micromanagement. So this is the stage where you need not even run after each and every member to see how or what they are doing, because now everything has fallen in place and everything is moving in a proper sync. Okay. So that's when the motion or the movement of the team synergy comes into play. So here you will need to encourage autonomy once it is in its performing stage, celebrate the wins, big or small, and coach instead of directing people. As I said, micromanagement is not required at this stage. Directing is not also required. Wherever you find some gaps, coach people or the teams in those areas. And after this performing stage is done in a full-fledged manner, we have the last step is adjourning. What happens here? So the project ends or the team disbands. Now, after the team has performed well, they have fulfilled the project, maybe within that given timeline, or maybe they have extended a little bit, but that's okay. The project comes to an end and the team has to now dismantle. So emotions can be mixed here, because by that time you have created a bonding amongst all the team members. So it could be like one will feel pride, or maybe you'll feel sad because the team is getting dismantled, or maybe relieved because the project is now complete, all of that now. And it is also a time for reflection. So after the project completion, team members are reassigned. Some feel nostalgic, others excited for what's next, all of that. So here what you can do is just conduct a retrospective, celebrate the closure, and offer feedback and future opportunities. So let us quickly recap the 5 stages. First is the forming stage. Here you will find the team is excited. So there will be excitement and also uncertainty, because no one is really quite aware of their roles and responsibilities. In the second stage, that is storming, there will be some conflicts and clashes, ego clashes, or some other sort of clashes. Then the third stage will be norming, where you will find alignment and collaboration. Then the fourth is performing, when the team is moving with full flow and high performance. And finally adjourning, where you have to come for a closure and transition when the project comes to an end. So every team goes through the cycle. The key is to guide the team through each stage with empathy, clarity, and communication. Now you can comment below which stage is your current team in, and please like, subscribe, and share this video with your team leaders or HR friends. And I will see you in the next video with another topic on some communication tips, team formation, or any other soft skills. So till the next video, stay well, take care, bye-bye.